Do you want a really funky spring design that will really blow people's socks off? Alberto from Sempertex is here to show you how to make this. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, we've got the wonderful, the one and only Alberto Falcone from Sempertex is back. Hello.
Yeah, I'm back, and I'm very happy to be here.
I'm glad you are here. I love what you did, the last thing we filmed, which may not have gone out now. It might have gone out. It probably has gone out. But it was amazing. That hoop was absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
If it's not gone out, you're going to really like it. Anyway, what are we going to do today, Alberto?
Oh, we can do a flower.
Okay.
Basically, it's a star, but you can use as a flower.
Yeah.
And I want to use for the Mother Day, so it's something that can fit with the color and with the message that we will put later. But I will show you. It's better than to tell it.
Okay.
It's much easier.
Where do
Maybe
we start
you
with?
can help me.
I can help you.
If you can give the other one, please.
The other one?
Thank you.
This one?
No, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get it right. There we are.
Yeah, it's a very geometric figure. So I start with this chain of bubbles.
Okay.
Are done with 360 S, and all the bubbles are sized at the same size.
Okay.
That's really important. You can use the hand pump if you want to do it, or you can use something like this inflator with a timer.
So what size? Does it matter what size they are?
Yeah, it's about 20 centimeters, but it's not really important. What is important, that must be all the time the same size.
All the same size, okay.
Yeah, that's it's more important. So I use normally 360 in this way. So I do with the 3 the same. I do the first bubble, I tie the other end as well, like this. Then I tie the tip, and I use to inflate three more bubbles.
Okay.
Exactly the same size as I told you before. And at the end, I need 3 of them, so I need 12 bubbles.
Okay.
Okay. That's very, very easy. Even if you use the hand pump, I repeat you, the most important is to have exactly the same size all the time.
So with a hand pump, you would just count how many pumps?
You count the number of strokes, yeah, of course. And then I already done it.
Okay.
And I have just to, to twist each 2 together. By the way, what I have to obtain is like a kind of hexagon, like this. So at the end, I have to tie together these 2 parts. I can use a piece of 260 uninflated, or you can use also the neck of the balloons that if you have available. So at the end, I will have this kind of hexagon. Okay. So I have this hexagon. With a double. And now I need that one.
Okay. The little ones or the big ones? Do you want the big one?
This one.
Okay.
This is exactly the same size, and same number of bubbles. Just I have to put this cluster of 3 in between the bubbles, each 2. So each 2 I put this, and are inflated to 3 and 2.5 inch, approximately. Another time is not really important to be precise. If I use this, it's like 0.1 and 0.2. Okay. And each 2 I tie it in this way, and then I use to fix around the hexagon in this way.
So the 2 larger balloons to twist.
Yeah, exactly. In this moment, it is not important the position of them. We will check later. And each 2 you tie around the hexagon.
I see. Okay.
And now I can easily create like a 6-point star. In this way. And now I have to change the position of them. So it means that the small one is in the front. And the big one are on the back, or if you prefer, outside, inside. Now I can use more balloons I already prep. This time each it's one balloon. Each of these designs.
Okay.
So it's 1 360
Yeah.
divided in 2 bubbles, and this time the bubbles are longer, are like 30 centimeters about,
Yeah.
around 30. And you have just to twist them together. I have done in the same way. So I have inflated the first bubble, then I tie, I cut the final, and I done.
That's a really good way of doing it. I like that.
Yeah, it's very very good to be precise without to have eye to be precise.
Yeah, yeah.
In the way, just counting the pump or counting or using something like this is quite easy, and you can just pass. The 5-inch is inflated to 3-inch approximately,
Yeah.
and I have to pass it through these bubbles. Okay, just this.
So is this a design you came up with yourself?
Yeah. This is a design is part of a kind of geometric design I have created.
Yeah.
And
It's great.
yeah, it's something a little bit different. It's something that go a little bit against, but not in bad way, against the organic style.
Yeah.
This is very precise. This is very geometric, and this is the name of the techniques I develop is exactly geometric.
I like this. It's very satisfying to watch.
Yeah, it's easy also to do. In this case, this is this kind of flower. We can finish this flower by using this is just a cluster of 260 are not totally inflated. I want to leave this tip uninflated, but must to be really free, really, it's the middle of the flower. So I can just push it in this way, so I can create like a middle part, and I use an inflated 260 to tie it on the bottom of the flower, like this.
Oh, it's great.
And you can use the color you prefer, of course.
Yeah.
In this case, I have used the white. You can also use yellow, maybe could be also, or the honey yellow, especially.
Okay.
So how we can use this flower? Oh no, sorry. Just to cover this mechanic, I just already created this 3-balloon cluster. It's 5-inch inflated to 2.5 inch, and just to cover this mechanic. So I have to twist them around here. I want to create like a small plant.
I'll put this down here.
So I'm using this stand, and I just made with 260 these 4 petals or 4 loops. Are all the same size. That is not important. You can also change the size if you prefer. It's up to you. But by the way, I just twist them in the middle.
Yeah.
Maybe I can show you how.
So you tie I know how you do that. You tie the ends.
It's just is a big
tie them together.
big loop. I split in 2, and then I use another one so I can twist them together. That's it.
Simple.
What is important is to have it quite soft. Yeah. So before to close the first loop, it's better to squeeze it.
Yeah. Okay.
Them a little bit. So now I can tie it. I just use 2 of the tips I have in the middle, and I made a note here. That's it. Okay. So I can also move very easily around the pole if I need to find another position.
And the pole, we put a 260 on there as we've shown before.
Yeah, I cover it with the 260. You can also use a 360 if you have, but the 260 is with this section of pole is okay.
Yeah.
And we can now tie the first flower. No, the first. This will be the second one. Sorry.
Okay.
This is the first one.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same I have shown you before, but in the middle you can use any kind of foil printed balloon. In this case, it's a hexagon as well, so it fits very well. But also with the 18-inch you can do it.
Yeah.
And just push it in the middle of the flower, so you give like a message. No? In this case, is for the Mother Day.
Fits perfectly. Yeah.
And you can just tie it where you prefer.
Yeah, I like it. That.
Like here, for example, between the leaves, so it looks like a plant with these two flowers, are two big flowers. I think is a good gift for the mother. No?
I agree.
It's a good present.
That's great. I love it. I love the fact that two different angles. They're going out.
Yeah,
in different
two different,
directions.
so you can have.
Yeah, look at that. That's fantastic. That's amazing, Alberto.
Thank you.
And the thing
Easy
is,
also to do. It's very easy.
They are easy, but it's just knowing how to do it, because nobody would look at that and think, "Oh, I know exactly how to do that." It's just knowing. That's absolutely spectacular. Well, Alberto, as a guest on BMTV, you've got to ask the question of the week to everybody. What is the question of the week?
Which is your preferred flower? Just a very simple question.
Very simple.
We play with flowers. So.
Yeah, what is your favorite flower? Leave your comments down below on Facebook and on YouTube. Alberto, once again, thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do, and hit the bell icon, and that way you'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram and check us out on TikTok, where the fun stuff happens. Stay happy and positive from myself and Alberto. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.